red color, green color, brown color, blue color, yellow color, and black color. Kids, now you draw A and use red color. E, A for apple, is small letters alphabets of E. B, B for ball. C, C for cat, is now letters alphabets of C. Kids, now we draw D and use green curly. D, D for dog. E, E for elephant. F, F for fish. G, G for got, it's small letters alphabets of G. It's now you draw H and U is brown color. H, H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J, J for joker. Kids, now you draw K and U is clue color. K, K for king. L, L for lion. M, M for moon. N, N for nose. Kids, so now you draw O and use yellow coloring. Yellow color. O, O for octopus. P, P for Berard. Q, Q for queen. Kids, so now you draw R and U is black color. R, R for rose. S, S for sun. T, T for teacher. It's an I dried U and U is red color. U, U for umbrella. V, V for van. Tevi liochelli for whale. It's a now you draw X and use green color. Green color. X, X for Jalafwan. Y, Y for yo-yo. And Z, Z for Zambra. Thank you soon for watching. See free to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.